Welcome to the Fence Armor Affiliate Marketing Sign-Up video. Just a quick video. Wanted to show you a couple of tips. Make sure you sign up and get started on the right foot. First, from our main URL, fencearmor.com, you'll find our affiliate program in the menu under More. It's also down in the very bottom in the footer of the page. It says Affiliate Marketing, Affiliate Program. Then you'll be taken to our Pro Partner page. Pro Partner page is what we call our affiliate marketing program. A little more detail. Then when you click Become an Affiliate, you will be taken to a standard sign-up sheet with even more detail about the program. I wanted to discuss with you the Create Your Personalized Coupon Code. This is a code just for you. Your customers will automatically get a 3% discount at checkout because of your affiliate link. Your affiliate link will automatically give them. You don't have to ask them to jump through any more hoops. They don't have to remember a code. This code will be automatically applied at checkout. So definitely need to create this, and otherwise you can't sign up. And it'll also help you in tracking in your analytics later to see what programs are working best, emails or websites they're buying from. Once you click join, you'll be taken to a standard thank you page. We approve everybody in about 12 to 24 hours, sometimes even less. And you do need to check your spam or junk. These do tend to fall into spam or junk files on your email. So please be sure and check those. And check out our next video for getting your affiliate link and getting started. Thank you so much. Have a great day.